There's this fan, tower fan, I've had for years, but it doesn't want to rotate anymore. So what I'm not going to take this apart. Down there, if you can see it, is the motor base where the bearings are. I'm going to take WD-40 with this long nozzle and just squirt it in there. And turn it upside down and squirt oil into the top part where the bearing is. Well, after that oiling, I've got it working. I've got to put it on high speed first to get it started. Then I can put it on low speed. You know, I salvaged it for a while.